Hi, I'm Tina Bennett, and I'm a local attorney. I'm one of the founding members of Supervision on Demand. Most of you won't know what supervision on demand is or what even supervision is. It's when the court orders you to have a third party monitor you while you parent your child. And really, that is a much needed service around this area, because there's not enough supervisors to go around, because the court seems to order supervision when anybody makes an allegation of abuse or neglect, or what I call the jumping through hoops items, which include, the father doesn't know how to change a diaper, or the father doesn't know how to discipline the child, or the father doesn't know the child doesn't know the father, or the father hasn't seen the child in a long time, and God forbid it's an infant, and the infant doesn't recognize the father because the father hasn't seen the infant since the day it was born, or never got a chance to see it when it was born. So what we're going to do is take the mystery out of supervision. The goal isn't for a parent to be supervised in perpetuity. You want to be off the hamster wheel. We know what it takes to provide admissible evidence in court. One of the things that's missing is somebody who knows what they're doing when it comes to recording, being able to testify, and be able to present what exactly the courts are looking for, so supervision is lifted, I meant to say. So if a court orders a supervisor for you to supervise your kids because they said Johnny doesn't know you, Johnny doesn't love you, and Johnny's afraid of you, we know that is just court ordered. I don't know what you want to call it. The court is doing it just to err on the side of caution. We hear it all the time. And err on the side of caution of what? Johnny doesn't recognize you because what? The other side has been feeding Johnny's head full of garbage. So in order to prove to the court that Johnny still loves you, hire us, or wait in a long line of other supervision places that can't get to you, or use our facility. So that way it gets recorded, we sign contracts, we know what the court wants, and everybody who's part of us was willing to testify in court. So we will remove all of the mystery and to get you together with your kid again without having a third party look over your shoulder. So again, supervisionondemand.com, or call us. The information's at the end of the video, and we're here to help you. We don't cost a lot of money because we're not in it for the money. We're in it to keep children and families together.